Louisiana's Cottage Food Laws. Navigating Louisiana's Cottage Food Laws, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Louisiana's cottage food laws. Whether you're a seasoned food entrepreneur or just getting started with your homemade food business, understanding these laws can be the key to your success. By understanding the specific rules that govern food production in Louisiana, you can avoid legal issues and focus on creating and selling your delicious creations. What are cottage food laws? Cottage food laws refer to the legislation that permits individuals to prepare, sell, and sometimes even deliver homemade food items directly to consumers. These laws vary from state to state, but their goal is the same: to enable small-scale food entrepreneurs to conduct business without the need for a commercial kitchen or other costly resources. The specifics of Louisiana's cottage food laws. In Louisiana, the cottage food laws are detailed and have several crucial aspects that every budding food entrepreneur needs to know. 1. What can be sold? Louisiana's cottage food law restricts the type of food you can produce and sell. Approved food products include baked goods, like cookies, cakes, and bread, canned jams and jellies, and honey. The state does not permit potentially hazardous food items, such as dairy or meat products, to ensure the food safety. 2. Sales limitations. Unlike some states, Louisiana doesn't place a cap on the amount of revenue a cottage food operation can earn. This means that there are no financial barriers preventing your cottage food business from growing and expanding. 3. Where can you sell? Louisiana is quite flexible when it comes to where cottage food products can be sold. Direct sales to consumers are allowed, including at farmers' markets, roadside stands, and from home. However, the state prohibits indirect sales, such as through stores, restaurants, and online. 4. Labeling requirements. Proper labeling is a key component of Louisiana's cottage food laws. Labels must include the name and address of your cottage food operation, the name of the product, and a statement indicating that the food has not been inspected by the Louisiana Department of Health. 5. Business requirements. Before you start your business, you must complete a food safety training course and register your operation with the state. This ensures that you are well equipped to handle food safely and that the state is aware of your operation. Getting started with your cottage food business. Understanding Louisiana's cottage food laws is the first step to starting your business. However, there are several other aspects to consider. Business plan. A comprehensive business plan will help you outline your goals, define your target market, and develop a roadmap to success. Marketing strategy. It's crucial to determine how you will reach your customers. This could include setting up at local farmers markets, leveraging social media, or even relying on word of mouth. Production and storage. Having a plan for producing and storing your products is essential. Ensure your kitchen meets all necessary health and safety standards, and think about how you'll manage large orders or busy periods. Final thoughts. Starting a cottage food business in Louisiana can be an exciting venture, offering an excellent opportunity to turn your culinary passion into a thriving business. By understanding and complying with Louisiana's cottage food laws, you can ensure your operation runs smoothly and legally, setting the foundation for a successful business. Remember, while the road to success might be challenging, the journey is often just as rewarding as the destination. Good luck on your cottage food adventure.